Hey, it's Steve. Welcome back to Clear Direct. I've got Mirco Pecorari, the designer of the Backcountry Bogey, of aircraft studio design out of Modena, Italy. You've seen the Rambler Nomad, which we're going to visit, but walking in, he was like, oh, I saw dozens of my liveries or paint schemes here at Oshkosh AirVenture 2026. And so I got the idea of, why don't we walk around with the Mirco Pecorari and show some of the paint schemes that he has designed, because they're classic and wonderful, and a lot of them are here at AirVenture. You have to excuse the P-51s flying over. It's just the start of the air show. So we're not going to talk too much about the Backcountry Bogey because you guys see it all the time.
But this is cool.
Yes, exactly. Especially this right here. The man. This is his first time actually seeing his design in person.
Yeah, you did a great job.
And thank you for Cato Propellers for hosting us next to the Freedom Fox. All right, with that, let's go ahead and check it out. And they're not all going to be bush planes. They're going to be all sorts of different styles of airplanes. All right, let's go. Turbo Beaver, beautiful. Was this
Turbo Beaver, yes.
this you?
Yes, with the whip air, and done this one-of-one with this customer, and yeah.
One of
he
one.
Was, yeah.
So there's a plaque over here where Mirco can explain a little bit more what he means about the one-of-one concept.
Yeah, the one-of-one concept is basically create one kind of the plane, so it will be only one in the world.
Yes.
And including exterior, interiors, customized with the customer log, personal log, and everything, and redone all the placard and basically the panel design in order to harmonize everything, and plus floats. Design the plane. The plane could be also with the wheels, so we create also the scheme on the.
That's a pretty intense logo.
It doesn't. Yeah, and the idea here is to create like the story of this big harpoon, you know.
Oh, harpoon! Yeah.
Yeah, the harpoon, which is like connected with, of course, all you know. The sea theme, you know, marine theme,
yes.
And this is why also we create in the carpet a kind of like a wooden deck, like in the boat, you know. So
okay.
Yeah, this is
Mirco.
Yes, sir.
Is your fun meter pegged? Mine is, but it's just getting going. All right, what's next?
Okay,
let's
next one. Run.
Oh, these are so cool. You know what? These are made in Bend, Oregon.
Same place.
Same place I live, and. God, their paint is so nice. I wish you did the paint scheme for them, but
yeah, I did it.
No.
Yeah.
You did the paint schemes?
Yes.
Of Epic?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We did like 3 or 4 of the official paint scheme that they now offer the plane. Of course, they are available in different color, but yeah, this is a way to kind of like bring. On this sexy line, you know, sexy paint scheme, you know. So.
Well, the lines of the airplane, is it easier to design paint schemes on an airplane with just smooth lines, or?
Yeah, of course, it's like, you know, it's like to dress a beautiful woman.
It's like Ferrari. Right?
Yeah, you remember, right?
Yes, he has ties to the Ferrari family.
Yep.
Modena, Italy, of course. Okay, so you did these 3. Did you do the dark one?
No, the dark one. It's I think it's a custom design that they did also. This one also they include some stars. I guess is for the celebration.
Yeah, I've noticed a lot of schemes this year with red, white, and blue,
yes,
in celebration for America's 250th.
Yes. And I saw also one of your favorite plane, F-15 with.
Yes.
And I joked this morning with a live video on Facebook, and I said this is sponsored by Perugina with the Bacio Perugina with the chocolate, because it looks like the envelope of the chocolates.
I don't know what he's talking about, but I'll load it right here. But so this is American-made, Epic by design. But the paint scheme is Italiano.
Italiano. Next one.
Okay, next one.
It's a scheme I did several years ago on Ashbuck, which is the plane before the Gamebird, and with like coming Thunderbolt. So yes. I create this Thunderbolts theme, and with the Thunderbolt, with the Thunderbolt like coming colors. So
okay.
Yeah, this one is another one.
Beautiful.
And,
you do a lot of aerobatic designs,
yeah,
don't you?
I start. Of course, it's much easier to be hired for an aerobatic plane because people want something unique and they don't care to, hide or be, more, quiet with the big jet or
It's
whatever.
a little more loud.
It's kind of like, yeah, we want to go competition or air show, and what the competition air show have in common is a beautiful color in the sky where judge or the crowd on the ground can spot the plane in every single movement. So,
Well, you're not going to miss this one.
and yeah, in
Beautiful.
this case, it's a special. In this case, it's also a special theme because you must represent a company. In this case,
Yes.
Lycoming.
Lycoming.
Yeah.
So we got to get a shot of the cylinders. Okay, Lycoming Thunderbolt. Very nice. So you think they should do it more like that?
Yeah, I think
I see the resemblance.
Yeah,
Okay.
So I say, okay, next time NASA, you can call me, and we can maybe we can make we can respect the American flag a little bit more. But yeah, I don't want to do a plane, but it looks like a chocolate.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Well, we've been compared to tennis courts before, but chocolate bars I've never. It's more the Piper Wing, a Hershey bar.
Sometimes we do also scheme for a company, like standard paint scheme. In this case, it's a standard paint scheme for the Gamebird, and that you see normally in green, white, and black.
Yes.
In this case, they use the American flag plus some stars. And meanwhile, we are here. We can walk down here at the International Aerobatic Club, and then you can see the style of the extra before Mirco, in terms of the shape of the plane and the and the scheme.
I see some similarities in the bogey. Look at the checkerboards. Cool Easter egg.
Yeah. In this case
yes.
is NG, which I designed also the line of the plane, not only the scheme, that we presented it in 2019. Sorry. And yeah, this is a standard paint scheme that you can pick in a different color, and again, is designed by Aircraft Studio Design. One thing in this particular plane, you can see this, how you call teal or whatever you call it? No, it's not a teal, it's kind of like a petrol.
Special blue. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And under the sunlight, you can see also this champagne color. So this plane is super elegant.
I like it.
And if you want to jump in, come in, and you can see here. Sorry, I'm just showing him.
His paint design.
Yeah. But actually, this guy owned one NG with the design made by. And you see all the stitch and everything
beautiful.
in the same.
Beautiful. Nice. Okay.
Sorry, guy.
There too. And the checkerboard out here.
I like your shirt, man.
Yeah, not only static display, but here in Oshkosh you can see a lot of planes designed by us, such as Mike Gullion's Extra 330 SC, and in this case for the performers we do also flying suit design, helmet design, and everything else. In this case, it's sponsored by WAT.
What?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that the same checkerboard?
Yes.
I thought it was one of one.
No, it's one of one signature,
Oh, yes. Okay, I see the checkerboard. There's Mike. What is that, lightning bolts or the electrical? Because it's the watt, the fly watt? Okay.
Correct.
Yes.
And then this zigzag. And in this case, of course, it's very important to leave, to save a big space for, of course, with sponsor money. So.
Okay. All right, the Rambler Legend Nomad, designed by yours truly, or his truly, Mirco Pecorari. And there's a full episode. I'll go ahead and link it right over here So go ahead and check out. It's all sorts of,
There?
yeah, right.
Right.
No,
Not that.
right there. Yeah. I always forget which side. I think it's this side. That was a quick and dirty tour of just a few of the airplanes that Mirco has designed the paint scheme for at AirVenture 2026. See if you can find some maybe next year. Tag me in it. And if you want the most amazing paint scheme ever, go to aircraftstudiodesign.com. And Mirco's gonna work up something amazing and personalized just for you. So, but this isn't a business pitch. I'm just hanging in with my friend here at Oshkosh AirVenture, just the happiest place on earth. So,
Yeah.
Mirco,
Yeah.
grazie mille.
Prego.
And safe travels. He leaves tomorrow.
Direttamente autorizzato.
It's Mirco and Steve. I think he just said, you're cleared direct.
Yep.